So when people come to me with all these digital issues, I'm telling you, it is so shocking. A friend stopped talking, so the girl self-harms herself. And then she puts a quotation saying that life is unfair. And you might laugh. So people are all living dual lives nowadays.
Got it.
They are living a phone life, then they are living the corporate rules life.
Correct.
And every...
Huh.
now, if I need to connect with you, you are one click away.
Correct.
And when I want to disconnect with you, you are also still a one click away.
Correct.
So when we make friendships or we have friends in our life, we try to use the phone technology onto them.
Got it.
And tomorrow when you see them, you'll be normal. You block them on your phone. You have private accounts, you have public accounts. You have blocked them from your private accounts, but
Correct.
you have kept them on your public. But sometimes they block you to give you a hint that, I do not want you in my life. So then sometimes you do not even know if you're jealous of your friend and you are, or if your friend is jealous with you and some actions are being taken. So my suggestion is, if some friend of yours has blocked you,
Yeah.
give them time. You be good. You be yourself. I don't think it should matter to you if your friend has blocked you. You be nice, you be yourself. They will only come and tell you why they blocked you, what was their action, what were their thoughts behind it, why did you... You can just talk to them, saying that I just saw that you blocked me, is there any reason? And that time, it may be a truth or not. Never think it's a truth, okay?
Yeah.
Because the conscious mind is only telling you what it sees.
Correct.
But the subconscious mind, what it is seeing, why is it behaving a certain way, we do not know.
True.
So consciously what your friend is telling you, okay, I blocked you because of this behavior. I blocked you because I heard you say this about me. Then the friend will say, you should have asked me, I would have told you. I don't trust you enough. I've seen you behave like this many other times.
Yes.
So I trusted the other person because I knew you were like this. And I don't have the need to continue your friendship. That's why I blocked you. Okay, I understand. You don't trust me. Go ahead with your block. That also closes the conversation. But there will be some people who will know that you have blocked them. Tell everybody that you have blocked them. They'll never come and talk to you. So this, who does? Manipulative people do that. They know they have hurt you. They know you have blocked them. They're scared that you will tell things about them outside. And then they will manipulate you more further.
Understood.
So if you look at this whole conversation we have had, first thing is, we should see whether we are doing right things to people. Are we talking right things about ourselves to people? We might trust people and say so many things to them.
True.
And what kind of people are they? How are they using things? I might laugh. Oh, life is unfair. Okay, maybe some quotation. But she's meaning something there. She's hinting something there. It's a plea for help. We don't see it as a plea for help. We feel like, oh my God, she's giving a judgment there. And there was